Well, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do I got a cool one here for you to see today. Now, before we start looking around at the cool cars, if you can do me a big favor and push the subscribe button, that will help the videos and the channel out tremendously. It'll get these videos out to other people that might want to see them. But I'm Craig with you, so let's turn around here and see what we can find. We're in St. Charles, Missouri on 2nd Street. Check this out. Is this cool or what? We got us an old gas station here. Got the Mercury pulled up there. Yep, for sure. That's very nice. This is a cool place, I'm telling you. Look at these Willies here. This is a nice vehicle. Check out this 55. Very nice. Let's see what else is over here. Cool Mustang. Very neat. All right, let's walk around back over here to the back side here. See what we can find. Hi guys.
What's up, buddy?
All right. We got a few more cars back here. Got this beautiful Nomad. Look at that thing. That thing is gorgeous.
Oh shit, okay. I just don't want that guy standing up.
Very, very nice. And we have a little band over there playing. Very, very cool. '54, I believe. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I've seen this truck around before. This is a beautiful truck. All right, check out this one. Look at the engine on that bad boy. Holy cow. Look at the door panels and stuff and the ceiling on this. This thing is nice. Wow. Very cool. Wow. Very nice. Check out this Hurley. Is this a sweet ride or what? Very, very nice. Alright folks, let's take a look at this here car. It's like a little race car. I was told it's a Triumph. Very cool. Very cool. And look at this here Mustang. Very, very cool. Here's the name of the place right here. It's a pet friendly. You can bring your little fur babies along with you. Alright, now we're inside the little gas station part. Check this out. Is that cool or what? Wow. Very nice. Some old pictures on the wall. Very neat.
So that's the bakery, and then they have a shop on bakery as well. Both of them have company. So my mom was sitting there and something.
Very cool. Very cool. This place is amazing. Such a really super nice place to go to. Sky Chief Texaco. Check out this square body Silverado here. Very cool. Looks like it's an old GMC on the grill, but very neat. Got some food trucks here. Looks like 2 of them. All right, let's take a look at this beautiful truck here. This truck is super cool. Twin I-beam. Very neat.
And there's an event tab. The guy that runs that one used to run that.
Check out this Nova here.
Him pulled sponsorship on it. It was the best. A lot of it's going to Facebook.
Holy smokes, look at that engine.
We're trying to pull him more over here with the site. He'll do it, but we got to get it to him. A lot of it now is going to Facebook.
Very, very cool.
Well, it's early right now.
Very neat. Let's go over here and check out this Mustang. That's a cool car. Very nice. Very, very nice. I don't say so myself. Very, very cool car. That's a nice Chevrolet here. Hi Steve, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah.
Nice seeing you again.
Yeah, good seeing you too, yeah.
In the back, he's got a little toolbox back there. Very cool. Let's look at the inside of this thing. That's nice. Wow. Look at this one. Very cool. Very neat.
Yeah, now you can, yeah. So I literally went into a barn in Cotterville and it sat there for probably 15 years.
Very nice Trans Am here.
But yeah, it needed a full frame off restoration. Yeah, very well. So nice to say. Yeah. How much will it cost?
Yeah,
For this one, not counting the cost of the car, which I bought day one, there's about 70 grand. I guess. Yeah.
That's a neat old car here too. Oh look, it's got the cigarette smoker window in it right here. For the people in the back seat that smoke. 1935. Check out this GTX. Man, that's a beauty. Wow. Oh, this baby's sweet.
Uh-oh, somebody bumped into it.
All right. See you in a little bit.
No, that's been like it.
I can still hear the sound. Well, she'll come knocking in the middle of the night. Hear mama crying and something ain't right. Headed down the notch and leave me low. The smell of whiskey cooking down Copperhead Road.
I'll talk to you guys later.
See ya.
Check out that old Chevrolet. That's a pretty cool looking car. I like the little shades over the headlight. Very neat. Very, very cool. All right, folks, so I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car as much as I did. If you did like it, click the little logo right here. You can subscribe there for free. And right here on this side was the last video I did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. I really appreciate it.